Yeah.
DQ.
This one. Huh?
HR.
No, it's a DE.
It's just straight. Don't stay too
Yeah,
long.
thank you. Appreciate it, dog.
Hey, grab it one time.
Damn, I did not have the fucking camera up for that. Oh yeah, we was lit. Cause dude behind me was honking and stuff. My bad, bro. Hey, we out here in the middle of nowhere, bro. Fucking what are we at? Almost Monterey. Oh yup, famous bridges. Heading back into the U.S. We Mexico for real, bro. Yeah, so I'm updating on this thing. It's taking me a lot longer to basically finish than I thought it would. I'm saying, but you know, obviously it's not the only thing I'm doing. So, but Evo. I never see Evos around here. I gotta button up some little stuff. Like I said, the exhaust is leaking really bad. So it was getting worse day by day. So it's supposed to be hitting like 8-9 psi, and they're only hitting like 5. And then now, as of right now, how I'm sitting, it's barely hitting 3. Pump sounds really loud on video. I think just like the frequency just really picks up on this iPhone. It's not that bad in real life. I don't know. I was not finna cash out on the quiet pump. So I did buy a new welder. So before I was just flux coring everything, obviously. But flux core is pretty good. Obviously, like, first thing that comes to mind is that it's not the best thing to be using for thin material, but I don't know how soon I'm gonna get some gas for this MIG. But and then also another update is I'm gonna be putting on a different turbo. So right now I'm running the HX35. Like, at first it was cool, but based on the dyno sheet and just like the turbine is just too small, I think. So, you know, my logic obviously was like, since it's gonna be way in the back, I'm gonna get a small turbo and it should be good. But it's good, but I just think that a little too much back pressure. At this point, I kind of just really want to get stuff done. It's a little, I just want to get some progress, have some results, you know. Starts aren't that bad. Damn, I could just open the door, huh? Paint's always been ass on this thing. Like, yeah. Obviously, from far away, you'll never know. Alright, I'm about to go home and make food. Wow. And one of the nut was missing on the bolt, so yeah, it's definitely leaking from there. I could hear it too. Like, I remember, like, especially these past couple of days, when I would drive next to the sidewalk, I could hear like the clicking when it like reflects off the sound off the sidewalk or like a wall. Yeah, my old like downpipe, I guess it doesn't, obviously it won't work because the HX35 turbine housing is that right there. You see the HX35 before right there? Look at that small ass exhaust, 2.5-inch V-band. And then with this HX40, these ones. Also got to do some of the piping too, because this pipe doesn't have a lip on it, so I got to take it out and do some, like, make it so it's flared out like this, because it keeps popping out when I hit a certain amount of boost. Supposed to be hitting like 8-9 psi, and the other day and the next I remember I tried to do a rear mount turbo in the rain video like 2-3 times at least. But yeah, here we are. It's right at the very moment. It's not raining that hard, but it just was. As you can see, it ain't shit. This is like, all it's gonna do is cool down your IATs, man. Like this is not shit, bro. Yeah, turbo's tucked up pretty high, so if your rear mount's like super low to the ground, then maybe something might happen. But and you can just get a waterproof, those waterproof pre-filters on your actual filter. So, but even when I was using screen door mesh as my turbo filter, I had I had stacked 2 layers on top of each other, like one this way, one that way, and just put a like 4-inch coupler, put a clamp. Yeah, I was chilling. No more fucking ticking noise. Jeez. Back to boosting right now. I'll let this fools go. Yo, it's so crazy. The dude in front of us at McDonald's paid for our food. That's crazy. That ain't never happened before. Appreciate that guy. Shout out. He just paid for it and dipped. I was gonna go pull up next to him. He just dipped. Alright. Try to get a couple of little mini pulls in. It's basically back to normal. It's back to how it was before. Nothing crazy, you know, safe tune. There's actually some little more leaks too. One of my welds, I know there's a leak right there. When I originally did it, I remember blowing a hole through part of that pipe, and then I patched it up, big, like, you know, welded it, like did more passes over it, but yeah, it just shit show. So, but no, yeah, I gotta fix that. But get like right here too. Yeah, like watching third now, like it's just like 10% cruising, you know, and then just get on it. Just, you know, kicks in. It's a little, obviously a little delay, but yeah, we're like 90% of the way there to the, not the final tune, but one of the final tunes. So, hella hype, finally. This video has been going on for like, I think almost a month now.